I'm inside my rooftop tent. The generator is up front with the exhaust facing away from my truck. You can see that when I'm not talking, it's only around 60, 62 decibels or so. I'm fairly certain that the wind and the waves at the coast are much louder than that. Current temperature is 79-ish degrees and falling. Just using a regular meat thermometer. And this is with the annex open, by the way. It may drop quite a bit if I close that. I'm going to try that in a second. I am now standing on the back side of the generator. This is as loud as it's going to get from my application, because I've got the low idle on where it's 76 decibels, 78, 76 with low idle. Let's turn up the high idle and see what happens. Not a lot different. Maybe a higher pitch of a groan, I don't know. Standing behind my truck. 57, 58 decibels.